In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a table in Mailchimp. Now, there's a few ways to do this, but unfortunately, Mailchimp does not have a native feature where you can add a table. However, I'm going to show you the easiest way to do this very quickly and easily, okay? So, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google or, of course, any browser, and you want to type in HTML table builder. Now, in here, you're going to find a bunch of different ones. You can really use whichever one you want. I'm just going to go with this one right now, and I'm going to click on it. Now, of course, whenever you're on the website, you'll be able to build your own table that you want to use, and then you'll get the code, which you'll have to basically paste into Mailchimp. So let me show you how to do this. We're just going to create a simple one over here. As you can see here on the left, it's going to give you an option to select how many columns you want. So we're going to do 5 by 3 over here, just for this example. And as you can see, it's going to update everything, and you can change the height, the width, the header colors, etc. A bunch of different things can be changed. Of course, you can select this if you want to and change these options. I'm just going to leave it like it is because I do not want to waste your time. And then down here, you can simply come to the kind of your table and you can type in whatever you want. So for example, if I just start typing in something, so for example, we're going to put some colors over here, red, blue, and I'm going to do green, and I'm going to do, let's do yellow, and then pink as well, like that. And of course, in here, I could just type in like different things, numbers, whatever. And notice, whenever I do this, this thing up here up top is always updating, okay? So whenever you have built your table, so the table you want to use, you can simply go and copy this up top. So click on the copy button. Then you want to go back to your Mailchimp over here, so the email template or something like that. So of course, I'm inside my campaign. You can just open one that you want to add a table to. And then you can go to the blocks tab over here in the top left. You want to look for code, which is over here, and you want to drag and drop it wherever you want your table. So I want it over here in the middle. I'm going to drag and drop it, and it's going to say use your own custom HTML. You can delete this, whatever it says in here, and you simply have to paste whatever we copied over here. And notice, whenever you do this, it's basically going to put in that exact table we had over there and we customized in here. Now, if you want to make any changes, you want to come back here, make the changes, copy the code again, and then paste the code in here as well, okay? So of course, you can customize anything in here. So if there's anything bothering you, like for example, if you don't want it to be named table 1, you can just find where it says table 1 in here and it's going to get removed. So for example, over here it says table 1. I can just like remove this like that and it's not going to show anything, as you can see. And then of course, if it's bothering you like that it says like some different text over here, you can remove that as well, okay? So just find it inside here where it says that specific text and remove it. So that's essentially how to insert a table in Mailchimp. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.